Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, today we shall prepare a zero-calorie salad with Julienne style of vegetable cutting, which also helps for weight loss. Let us check the ingredients: onion, carrot, green gram sprouts, spring onion, sweet corn, cucumber, red cabbage, tomato, green bell peppers, salt to taste, 1 spoon crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon lime juice, half a spoon red chili powder. Let us take a large mixing bowl, add onion, carrot, green bell pepper, cucumber, tomato, red cabbage, sweet corn, sprouted gram, and spring onion, salt to taste, red chili powder, black pepper, and lime juice. Now let us mix them all with the help of a fork. Please check the above link to view how to chop vegetables in Julienne style for salad. Now our zero-calorie salad is ready. Hope you will try this recipe and share your experience in the comment section. Also like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and for your continued support. Also check my other videos.